Welcome back. Today we continue our series in JavaScript fundamentals. In this series, we'll try to answer some questions that you may face in any JavaScript interview. In this question, today's question is that what is an IIFE, immediate invoke function? So an immediate invoke function, which is a JavaScript design pattern used to create and execute a function immediately after its declaration. It involves wrapping the function in parentheses and then invoke it immediately by adding another set of parentheses after it. So let's just try to make an example. So let's just do two parentheses like that, and here we will do like a function. And basically right now you create an immediate invoke function, and here our code, like we have the code of the function. Let's just make like an example. So let's just create a var we called message, which will equals hello, there is IIFE, and I will cancel the log, the message. Okay, and here, if you here for this one, like and this is the immediate invoke function. But in most of your interviews, they will ask you why we do that, why we need this. So first, it's the things that we needed to do is that first we if we want to avoiding a global pollution, so by encapsulating a code with an immediate invoke function, you prevent variables and functions from polluting the global scope. This helps prevent naming conflicts and unexpected behavior in large application. So basically, if you try to cancel the message, like you do like that, and you just get undefined because it's not accessible at all outside the function. The second thing that we could talk about is that we want to avoid that temporary variables. Like the immediate invoke function can be used to create a context where you can execute code without creating temporary variables or polluting global scope. Also, it's a great in the module pattern. Like the immediate invoke function is often used in the module pattern, where you can create private variables and functions while exposing only specific parts of your code to the public interface. In conclusion, like while the immediate invoke function is powerful and useful pattern, modern JavaScript has introduced other ways to achieve similar encapsulating and modularization, such as the E6 models. However, the immediate invoke function remains a valuable tool in JavaScript development, especially when dealing with legacy code or situations where more modern systems are not available or applicable. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problems.